In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a personal form to a group in Microsoft Forms. Let's get started right away. First, open Microsoft Forms in your browser and sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your forms live. From here, click My Forms on the Forms homepage. This will open up the full list of every personal form you've created so far. Now find the personal form tile you want to move. In this walkthrough, the form is called Team Lunch Preference, so locate that tile in your list. Next, we'll start the move directly from the form tile itself. On the form tile, look toward the upper right corner and click More Options. A small menu will appear with several actions you can take on that form. From this menu, click Move to Group. If your version of Microsoft Forms just shows the word Move instead, go ahead and click Move. Both options open the same dialog. A Move dialog will now appear on your screen. In this dialog, click your target group from the group list shown. This tells Forms exactly where you want the personal form to land. Once your group is highlighted, click Move at the bottom of the dialog to confirm the action. Wait a moment for the dialog to close on its own, which signals that the move has finished processing. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's confirm the form is now sitting inside the group. If you are still inside the My Forms list, click back in the upper left of the Forms page to return to the home page. From the home page, scroll down until you reach the My Groups section. This is where every Microsoft 365 group you belong to will be displayed. Click your target group, the same one you selected earlier in the Move dialog. The group workspace will open and show all forms that belong to it. Confirm that the moved form tile appears inside that group. In our case, you should now see the Team Lunch Preference tile listed there. The form is now listed under the selected Microsoft 365 group instead of only under your personal My Forms area. Members of that group can co-author the form, view responses, and share it from the group workspace. Congratulations, you've successfully moved your personal form into a group in Microsoft Forms.